Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Fireflies AI account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you transcribe using your Fireflies AI account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to use your Fireflies AI to transcribe anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that it's important to repurpose your content. So maybe you want to transcribe certain videos or podcasts of yours and turn it into a blog post. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Fireflies AI. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Fireflies AI account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to transcribe using Fireflies AI, here on the left, you're going to click on uploads. Okay, so here they let you know it needs to be MP3, M4A, WAV, or MP4 files. So you're going to be able to upload a video or an audio format and it's going to be transcribed. One thing I want to let you know is it has to be 1.5 gigabytes or less. So if you have a huge video file, you might want to go ahead and compress that. And you can usually do that through iMovie. Just when you're rendering it, you want to turn the quality down to like 360 maybe, or 720. If it's an audio file, you're going to want to turn it down to smaller than 200 megabytes. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a file. Okay, I chose a video file. Okay, you can see that it's showing up down here on the bottom right. So it's going to show you the default language. So mine is Spanish, but let me go ahead and change this to English. Okay, so let me go ahead and choose English. Okay, next you want to go ahead and click on upload. Okay, now it's uploading. Okay, depending on your connection speed, it's going to take a few seconds to upload your video. And next you're going to see this processing transcript. It's in orange right here. So Fireflies AI is automatically transcribing your. So now we just need to wait for the transcript to be finished. Okay, it looks like it's finished. So let me go ahead and just click into the file. Okay, so once we click in the file, you can see the file has been transcribed right here on the right. So it's even separated by speakers. So here you can go ahead and see the entire file. Now, if you want to download the transcript, here on the bottom, you're going to see a download button. Here you can go ahead and choose the transcript and what type of file you want to download it as, docx, PDF. I'll go ahead and choose PDF. Here you can go ahead and include the timestamps if you want. So if this is going to be something like a movie script, you might want to do that. I usually uncheck it because I repurpose these as a blog post, so I don't really need those. Same thing with the speaker name. I'm going to go ahead and uncheck that. And then you're just going to click on download. Okay, transcript has been downloaded. Let me go ahead and open it up. Okay guys, so here is the transcript from my Fireflies AI. You can see it's split up into these nice little paragraphs. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to transcribe using your Fireflies AI, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.